Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Bubble Flare tool is probably one of the most versatile and essential gadgets for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic looking to achieve perfect brake line flares every time, ensuring safety and reliability in your automotive work. Number 5. TGR Professional Brake Line Flaring Tool. Introducing the TGR Professional Brake Line Flaring Tool, designed for precision and ease of use. This essential tool is perfect for creating various types of flares for your brake lines. It expertly creates single, bubble, and double flares, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of applications. You can achieve professional results every time. This tool accommodates tubing sizes from 3/16" to 3/8", making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. It handles all your flaring needs with its comprehensive die set. Designed for simple operation, it securely mounts in a vise for stability. The T-handle screw clamp ensures your die and tube are held firmly in place. Each unit is pre-tested at the factory, guaranteeing reliable performance right out of the box. You'll even find a sample flare included from its test. What we like. This tool offers versatility in creating single, bubble, and double flares. Its secure T-handle screw clamp ensures stability during operation. If you need a reliable tool that mounts easily in a vise and is factory tested for quality, this is a great choice for your workshop. What people say. This bubble flare tool is a game changer for automotive brake line repairs. The tool creates clean, consistent flares every time, ensuring a secure connection. Its durable construction means it can withstand heavy use in a professional setting. Number 4. OTC 4504 Stinger ISO Bubble Flaring Toolkit. Introducing the OTC 4504 Stinger ISO Bubble Flaring Toolkit. It's expertly designed to create flawless bubble flares on soft steel tubing, essential for automotive brake systems. This kit includes everything you need for ISO bubble flaring. You get a durable flaring bar and all the necessary adapters for a seamless experience. The forged yoke is constructed from heat-treated steel, ensuring strength and longevity. This tool is built to withstand demanding use. It comes equipped with 4 versatile dies, covering 4.75, 6, 8, and 10 mm sizes. This allows for a wide range of applications. All components are neatly organized and protected within a sturdy blow-molded storage case. Keep your tools secure and ready for your next job. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for crack-free bubble flares on soft steel tubing. The forged yoke is made of durable, heat-treated steel for longevity. If you are working on automotive brake systems and need to create precise ISO bubble flares, this kit with its included storage case is a convenient option. What people say. The bubble flare tool is a game-changer for creating perfect flares every time. Its innovative design ensures consistent and professional-looking results, making brake line flaring a breeze. Number 3. Capri Tools Dual Head Flaring Tool. Introducing the Capri Tools Dual Head Flaring Tool, designed to make flaring tasks easier than ever before. This versatile tool handles both ISO DIN bubble flares and SAE double flares with precision. Get your projects done in half the time. Its compact and portable design allows for effortless creation of flares on various tubing types, including brake lines. It works flawlessly with 3/16" non-stainless steel, nickel, and copper tubing. The single die is engineered to create ISO DIN bubble flare, SAE double flare, and SAE bubble flare. The compact design enables you to create perfect flares, whether you're working on or off the vehicle, even in confined spaces. Its portability ensures you can take it anywhere the job requires. For added convenience, the detachable die allows for use with a bench vise. This all-in-one tool requires only a 10 mm and a 17 mm wrench to operate, making it incredibly user-friendly. What we like. This tool is a real time saver, allowing you to create both ISO DIN bubble and SAE double flares with a single unit. Its compact and portable design means you can make perfect flares even in tight spaces, on or off the vehicle. If you value efficiency and the ability to work in confined areas, this all-in-one tool is ideal for you. What people say. The bubble flare tool is a game changer for creating perfect flares every time. Its innovative design ensures consistent and professional-looking results, making brake line flaring a breeze. The tool's durable construction and precise engineering guarantee reliable performance for years to come. Number 2. For Lifetime Line's Professional Brake Line Flare Kit. Achieve professional single, double, and bubble flares with ease. This high-caliber tool ensures optimal and safe operation when instructions are followed carefully. It's specifically engineered for steel, aluminum, copper, and nickel-copper tubing. This tool's adaptability guarantees effective and precise flaring on a wide array of materials. Equip yourself with a complete set of flaring dies for all common sizes, both SAE and metric. This inclusivity ensures you have the right tool for every specific task. The self-centering yoke securely holds the bar assembly in place during operation. This design accentuates stability and accuracy, yielding flawlessly executed flares every time. The package includes flare bars, hardened die heads, a tubing reamer, a tubing cutter, and a storage case. This comprehensive set ensures you have everything needed for efficient and high-quality flaring. What we like. This kit provides an incredibly comprehensive set of flaring dies for a wide range of sizes and materials, including steel, aluminum, copper, and nickel-copper tubing. The self-centering yoke ensures stability and accuracy for flawless flares. If you tackle diverse flaring projects with various materials and sizes, this professional kit offers unparalleled versatility and completeness. What people say. This kit works really well, and after a couple of test runs I can make really good flares. This is a very nice tool for HVAC professionals. I make double flare nut on my connections. It's like an extra layer of protection, this will never leak. It clamped onto the pipes firmly and didn't slip while flaring like a previous set. It made nice bubble flares as well. Number 1. For Lifetime Line's Master Brake Line Flare Tool Kit. Create precise single, double, and bubble flares with this comprehensive brake tool kit. It handles various tubing sizes for diverse brake line and HVAC applications. This kit has everything you need for SAE and ISO flares. It includes a tubing bender for perfect angles, a cutter for clean cuts, and a reamer for smooth finishing. Easily create flares on various materials like steel, copper, and copper-nickel tubing. It's perfect for both automotive brake lines and HVAC applications. All the tools, including the flaring tools and tube bender, are neatly organized in a compact case. This makes transport and storage in your shop or garage simple. Your investment is protected with a lifetime warranty. You can be confident in the high quality and durability of all the tools in this kit. What we like. This master kit is designed for versatility, capable of creating single, double, and bubble flares on a variety of materials for both brake lines and HVAC applications. It includes a tubing bender, cutter, and reamer for a complete solution. If you're looking for a comprehensive, durable, and reliable toolset backed by a lifetime warranty, this kit is an excellent investment for your garage or shop. What people say. The bubble flare tool is a game changer for creating perfect bubble flares every time. Its innovative design ensures consistent flare diameter and depth, eliminating guesswork. The tool's precision engineering makes flaring copper and aluminum tubing a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.